Have you ever thought about a second home? Maybe it's worth thinking about buying your own vacation home. It might be time, and I'll tell you why coming up. Hi, thanks for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area here on the Florida Suncoast. I hope these little 2-minute videos answer a lot of your real estate questions. Please, of course, hit the subscribe button below, subscribe to this channel, and check out hundreds of quick tips. They're fast, they're free, and they're easy. Summer's here, and that means it's time to plan your next vacay. If you're someone who visits the same place year after year, and you're tired of trying to find that spot, maybe it's worth thinking about buying your own vacation home. A lot of folks are doing it now. A recent survey shows why people buy that second home. Far and away, the top reason is so they have their own vacation destination. But you can see there are a lot of other great reasons too. Better weather, being able to generate rental income, and having a pretty cool place to retire and hang out with family and friends in the meantime. Those are just a few of the many benefits. Here's the deal. If the thought of having your own vacation home sounds exciting, let's chat. I'm here to help you find the perfect place so you can have fun in the sun this summer. And finally, everybody knows the 3 rules of real estate: location, location, location. We've added 3 rules of our own: honesty, integrity, and passion. We love the Florida Suncoast, have sold Hudson to Sarasota and everything in between. If you're thinking about buying or selling, please subscribe to this channel. Stay updated with great new videos every week. See homes, of course, on or near the beach anytime at MrBeachHouse.com.